In today's special episode, we're going to open up and see what's inside this giant Spider-Man egg. And also these Play-Doh face Spider-Man and Venom eggs. You don't want to miss it. Watch it to the end.
HobbyKidsTV Surprise Toys!
We've got the world's biggest Spider-Man surprise egg. This idea was originally done by HobbyKidsTV. We even have super cool Spider-Man balloons. Ooh, Hobby Baby likes it. Let's open it up! Woo! What do we have? What is the first surprise? Ooh, what is that? It's a target game. You shoot the image of Rhino. What's the next surprise? Oh, wow! It's a superhero mashers with Spider-Man and Dr. Octopus.
So with these awesome action figures, you can take apart the superheroes and villains and trade limbs.
And here's Spider-Man. And here's Dr. Octopus. And we're gonna mix them up. We have Super Octo Spider-Man.
Awesome!
What's the next surprise? Ooh, it's a Spider-Man muscle suit. Let's see how that looks on our Hobby Kid. Wait a minute, Hobby Kid. I think there's one for the other Hobby Kid too. Oh, there is another one. That's the Amazing Spider-Man 2 movie suit. Oh, it's a little baby mask. Wow, Hobby Frog, that looks pretty good on you too. Wow, look at you guys. Oh, I see how it is. Let's see if we have some other awesome things in the Spider-Man egg. What else is in the giant Spider-Man? Ooh!
Flying heroes. This makes Spider-Man fly. You pull the string and it makes Spider-Man go in the air.
Go for it. Come on, Hobby Baby, do it. Oh, more. You can do it, Hobby Baby. Oh, you want some help? Oh, there, you did it. Woohoo! What is that? Bring it over here, man.
Spider gear pack. Yeah.
What does it do?
It shoots out web.
Oh, cool. Let's open it up and get to shooting some web.
Tell me how it works, Spider-Man.
So you do this, and then you do this to shoot. You push this.
Oh, poor Hobby Dad just happened to be standing there. Oh. It's still going.
Whoa.
Weird. Hobby Frog, Spider-Man, go ahead and get the other Spider-Man.
Got me.
Give Hobby Mom a thumbs up. Woo!
You got me.
That's okay, I'm gonna get you.
Come here, Hobby family. I'm gonna get you guys. Ooh, what is that?
It's a Spider-Man thing.
It's a Spidey shot. This is what he looks like out of the box. He is ready to shoot some web.
Just push this button. Oh, you can't hide from me, Hobby Kid. I don't think so. I'm gonna get you. I see your feet. It was pretty far.
This is for Hobby Dad.
It is? What is it? Oh, cool.
It's for the challenge for you.
So awesome. I'm gonna put them on right now. Hey, they look pretty nice. What do you think, Hobby Kid? You like them? Thumbs up for sweatbands. What else is in there? Let's get it, Hobby Kid. Ooh, what is that?
Piggy bank.
It is a Spider-Man piggy bank. So awesome. Man, that looks cool. It's like he's ready to fight crime. And that's where the money goes. What else is in the Spider-Man egg? Whoa, it's a cool Spider-Man lamp. Wow, that thing's gonna look really cool when it's lit up. I bet you it looks like this when it's lit up. Huh? Is it cool? Super awesome. Ooh, what is that? It's Spider-Man Dominoes! Wow, it's dominoes, but instead of numbers, it's Spider-Man characters. So it's not as educational, but twice as fun.
What's the next surprise?
Wow, look at this awesome backpack. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look!
Oh!
Oh, we got them good. Oh, I love these things. These are so cool. It's sticky webs. Yeah.
That's cute.
I want to try it.
I got it. Hey.
Oh, you got it.
See me get Spider-Man, guys.
Oh.
Gotta get that Spider-Man.
Oh, close.
Close.
Yeah.
Oh, right, I've got one.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, double whammy. Ooh, nice. See if you can get the giant Spider-Man. Hey, you got it.
I want to get.
Hey, not me.
Let's get out the next prize. Oh, cool.
Another one.
Is there something inside? You're such a... All right, what is that? That looks cool. Looks cool. Looks cool. Looks cool. It's a Spider-Man motorcycle launcher. Let's see how it works.
Here's Spider-Man on his motorcycle. Here's his launcher.
Whoa! Whoa, cool! Oh, I forgot that was in there. Oh no! It's the ultimate Spider-Man, the web-wandering ATV. Hobby Baby is gonna love this. Pretty cool, huh, Hobby Baby? Oh, he wants to shoot some string too. This little scooter's pretty awesome. It has all the sights and sounds of Spider-Man.
Hey, Spider friend, let's go for a ride. Hold on tight, Spidey friend.
Oh, he wants to ride and shoot silly string. Woohoo! What a good brother. Even Hobby Frog likes it. Hey, is that good popcorn? Oh, he's letting me know. And it's remote control for
Nice.
Awesome.
Nice.
Hey, HobbyKid, I'm gonna take you for a ride.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
What an awesome SpiderMan Hummer. Look at all the cool pictures of Spider-Man. It works with a remote control. It has lights. And it has a radio. You like that stuff?
Yeah.
That's rad.
It's awesome.
Oh boy, it's Hobby Frog's turn. Put your seatbelt on.
This is kind of fun.
Awesome. Now it's Hobby Baby's turn. Go for it, Hobby Kid. Hey Hobby friends, we've got our 3 Hobby Kids with their 3 awesome Spider-Man vehicles. And we're gonna have a race. Are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh! I thought it was gonna be Hobby Frog, but he turned at the last second.
We're gonna open up this giant Play-Doh surprise toy egg with the Hobby Kids. And we have all of our Spider-Man superheroes with us. Even a spider and a chocolate egg. That's Spider-Man. How cool is that? Let's get started with the eyeballs, guys. Ooh.
Look at that.
That's cool. Hey, Peter Parker. He's without his mask. Ooh, looks like there's another one. Who is that, guys?
It's Mary Jane.
It sure is.
Help me, Spider-Man. Help me. I'm a damsel in distress. Help! Help!
It's Peter Parker with his camera because he's a photojournalist.
Peanut Parker was cool.
He is. Now that we've destroyed his face, let's see what's in the surprise spider.
Ah! Looks like he's going to eat me.
Uh-oh. Don't bite him, you spider.
No, he's dead. Half dead. Waving.
We'll put her next to Robin. Chocolate egg time.
Ooh.
Hopefully it's not too melted.
Hey, look at that.
That's a cool looking egg right there.
Is there yummy chocolate now? Yummy.
Oh, it doesn't shake. I wonder what it could be. You want to open it?
Looks like there's chocolate in there.
Ooh.
Hey, there's chocolate in there. Looks like it melted.
Yeah, it is melty.
Looks like we're gonna eat it. Here, Hobby Mom.
Oh, thank you. That was good.
Here, Hobby Kid.
Hobby Dad's gonna help me out.
It's a 3D puzzle.
Very cool, a 3-dimensional Spider-Man. Let's put him with our Spider-Man collection. Why don't we get started with our super cool villain,
Venom!
Hobby Kids Spider-Man's gonna open up the first eyeball and see what surprise is lurking inside.
It's Spider-Man.
Ooh, and he's in gold. Other Hobby Kid Spider-Man's gonna open up the other eyeball.
Who is that? Is it Venom? Is that Venom? Who is it?
It's Green Goblin.
Ooh, that's not Svedin, it's Green Goblin. No, garble, garble, garble.
Who wants to open up the tongue?
I do. Hey Venom, no tongue for you.
Cyborg from Teen Titans Go.
It's Robin. He's on Teen Titans Go.
He's a pretty cool guy.
Yeah.
Let's stick him to the mouth. Let's open up that fancy schmancy Kinder Surprise superhero chocolate egg.
Yummy.
Ooh, it does get a little melty, huh?
Oh.
Yum. Okay, let's get this one opened up. Looks like we got another Iron Man.